Have you ever heard someone say, "There are numerous opportunities ahead," and wondered what numerous really means? Is it just another way of saying many, or does it have a special meaning? In this lesson, you will learn the meaning, pronunciation, synonyms, antonyms, and real-life examples of the word numerous in the simple and memorable way. The word numerous is pronounced a-o-umuras, or nu-em-eras, or nu-em-eras. Numerous is an adjective. The meaning of numerous is very many, existing in large numbers, or more than can be easily counted. We use this word when we want to describe a large quantity of people, things, places, or events. It is a more formal and expressive alternative to simply saying many. For example, instead of saying, "There are many books in the library," you can say, "There are numerous books in the library." This sounds more natural in formal English and makes your sentence stronger. Here are some common synonyms of numerous: many, countless; several, abundant, plentiful; multiple, various. These words have similar meanings, although they may be used in slightly different situations. Now let us look at some antonyms, which are words with the opposite meaning: few, limited, scarce, rare, minimal. These words describe a small number instead of a large one. Let us see how numerous is used in everyday English. Example 1. There were numerous students waiting outside the classroom before the exam. Example 2. She has received numerous awards for her outstanding work. Example 3. The city offers numerous parks where families can relax and enjoy nature. Example 4. We faced numerous challenges while completing the project, but we never gave up. Imagine you are planning a vacation. Your friend asks, "Why did you choose this city?" You reply, "Because it has numerous tourist attractions, delicious restaurants, and beautiful parks." Using numerous makes your English sound richer and more confident. A helpful tip to remember is this: whenever you want to replace the word many with a more advanced and professional word, numerous is an excellent choice. Now it is your turn. Try making your own sentence using the word numerous in the comments below. Keep expanding your vocabulary, improve your English every day, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.